Hello friends, welcome back to the Question Locker channel. So for today's video, I thought of doing a decent review on all the three vehicles that's in our garage right now. So this is Maruti 800, which I have already shown you the restoration video, I guess 2 months back or 1 month back. Then there's that Innova over there, which is the I guess over 2 months over. We restored it like right after the lockdown, and when the lockdown was going, also it was the restoration was going. Except the paint job, I could show you everything because during the paint time, it was lockdown was going, so I couldn't do anything. And of course, our automatic Baleno, which is I guess right now 1 month, 6 months around 1 year 6 months. So I guess in these three right now, this is the first oldest one. Obviously, it's almost 19 years. I guess it's around 2002. So this is the 2002 version. So major difference. What I wanted to show you in the video was not all the colors are same here. So if you can see, this color is not red, it's maroon, so it's pinkish maroon. And this is how it used to come back then in 2002. And there's another vehicle like the next model. You can see we changed the headlamps and the tail lamps and all to the next version. Now Maruti 800 has stopped, obviously. So it was like a tomato red color, not maroon. So this is what I wanted to say. And this color which you can see here, so this is another version. Like this is the next generation Baleno actually. Before this there was one more model with the smaller face over here. Now it has a smiling face. And this is a facelift version. So this color also is different, not the Firefox red, I guess. This is some radiant red. So we had a quid which was, I guess, tomato red. Now coming to the Innova. So this is the color that we chose. And obviously Innova used to come in the red color. So I guess something like I don't remember the proper name, the name. And we call it Yesmatic red actually. And this thing, I last time I couldn't say the cost details of this. I won't say the entire cost detail because it will look little too much expensive also. So for the paint itself, around 40k was used because we did a full body paint. You can see how the vehicle is looking like a brand new, even though it has gone through some 2-3 owners earlier. And the main thing is chrome finish which we have given. This is completely original. There's no duplicate and all here, no China mal and all, apart from this one part which we had to get it duplicate because we couldn't get the original one. And tail lamps, everything is original from the company itself. So this is a completely original vehicle. Anyways, this is company made, so this I cannot say any details how it was. Like that only it is, apart from the seat covers. The video I have already done it earlier. Now coming to this, in this I will say you that a lot of original stuff is put later on because the Maruti, I guess, 4th gen came with these kinds of tail lamps. The circle ones earlier it was flat with those 3 different shapes. And indicator was at the down. And no much changes. You can see here we didn't put any chrome beam and all, whereas here in this it came from the company. And in case of the Innova, we had to make it get it from the company itself. So friends, coming to the interiors, this is the 2002. So you can see how this interior is compared to that. I'll go on now. Before that, I'll show you how this is. So in this you can see this is new. This is new, like new in a sense. We put it later on. It is not the original which we got from the company. But the dashboard, everything is the same, original. No cosmetics changes done with it. Even the steering is original, the gear, even those pedals you can see all are original. We didn't fake anything, including this which you can see, everything is original. No much of cosmetic change inside or outside the vehicle. And you can see the 7D mats. The 7D mats is there in all the vehicles. I'll one by one show you. So coming to this now, the Baleno, which is another 5-seater. So here again the 7D mats like I showed you, and in this car obviously you get the start stop, which the other two doesn't have. And in this the difference is you can see the distance here and here which you don't get there, and you get here because this is the latest version and all that stuff, and all the cosmetic things which the company itself gives you. Earlier you don't used to get all this stuff. And here also the same thing, dashboard, anything is not changed. Whatever has come from the company, it is like that only. You can see the blue finish here. The same blue was there with the seat, just we made it red because the car is also red. And here you can see in the console a red color car. So this also you can make it, you will understand once if you do long presses on the sides, control given. And you can see this big monitor, obviously you get it in this, whereas in the 800 you might have observed we made it over here, whereas in this the central console you get it in the car itself. So I guess the price has again hiked now, maybe around 9.5 is the ex-showroom, and when it comes to the car it will become around 11 lakhs. So we'll go to the next one. So friends, now we are in the Innova, and you can see there's a big change here. Like those two we have not made it red, so this is another color. Actually we had an Ertiga which had the same combo color scheme, and this is somewhat like an ivory color. We didn't go for the red because obviously the car from outside was red in color, but from the inside we wanted it to look natural. And in this you can see what we have done here, a big change. There's a cosmetic change in this vehicle. You can see lot of changes on this. Videos have been done already regarding the sticker we put of the wooden finish. The same sticker you even get it on the front console, but we have not stuck it because obviously this and this will not match, and it looks disgusting according to me. Apart from that, we have changed this. This is a major change which we have done because the old one was torn, and lot of scratch and all that stuff. And again the 7D mats you can observe. And one small difference is, in the other two cars we had one protective shield here. We just put a sticker here instead of that, and this I'll put a link in my description where you can get it in Amazon. It's just so that scratch doesn't come. You will get it in colors for different cars of different colors. And since this is a 7-seater car, you can understand the expenses will be more, and this is a diesel whereas those two are petrol. You can see at the back how long it is, and all the cost of the cushion and all the other stuff. This is also in Amazon available. This also I'll put the link in the description. No other stuff we have bought it actually extra. And regarding the interior changes, there are some videos in YouTube you can see where they change this color, and they even change the gear console. Like instead of the original one they put the skull one and all that stuff. That is also available in Amazon. If you want you can get it, but it looks too much of a show off if you ask me. And coming to the next part, actually all our cars run with nitrogen. So you can see a green knob here. All these vehicles are nitrogen. Here also you can see nitrogen. The thing is, we usually go for longer rides. Like Bangalore though is a very common ride, and in case of Mysore I guess we have gone once or twice, and in case of Bangalore around 20-30 times in car. That too with the Baleno and the Innova a lot of times maybe. But Innova we have right now not gone long because the lockdown didn't allow us to go, or else I will definitely go. And travel vlogs though I have not done, I guess from I'm feeling like over a decade. And obviously colleges, schools have not yet started here in Karnataka because the conditions of COVID-19 has worsened. So that's all folks for this video. I have shown a detailed view on all the 3 cars and all the changes that we have done inside and outside. So probably my next few vlogs I'll try to do on some other stuff, some new crazy stuff. So until then, see you next time. Bye.